Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I want to show you this amazing 2010 Kawasaki ZX14. This is a very low mileage bike and it is some kind of sweet. It's 1000cc inline 4. It's a liquid cooled inline 4-cylinder and it's just raw power. It's got a lot of nice features on this bike. Sport bike guys know and recognize all that it has. The radial mount, dual front disc brakes, large discs, stops, got excellent stopping power, as well as raw guts going power. Put a battery tender on it here for you. Looks like the bike's been upgraded with Two Brothers Racing mufflers. It's got a really nice sound to it. Rear disc brake, aluminum wheels, excellent tires. Beautiful, beautiful color. Nothing at all wrong with this bike. It's in like new condition. Very low miles. It's got I think 1,700 miles, 1,701 mile. It's got 180 on the speedometer, and man, I believe it would probably do it. Red line's at 11,000 RPM, so it wraps out real quick. We'll give it a listen right quick. You can ride two up on this bike too. It's got passenger pegs here. This thing's a beast. Fun to ride. If you're looking for a really nice sport bike, you won't find any nicer than this. For the money, it is just in excellent condition. Beautiful, beautiful bike. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. We're located in Arlington, Texas, so we can, if you want to fly in and make a road trip out of it, we can pick you up about 15 minutes from DFW Airport. We'll pick you up and do the deal, and you can be on your way. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, and we can ship this one to you without any problem. You see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We run all of our bikes through our service department, get them checked out and serviced to make sure that they are ready to ride. So this one doesn't have any issues. It's just ready to start carving up some asphalt. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.